Welcome. If you're looking to enable sending messages in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, managing group permissions is easier and more intuitive than ever. Let's walk through the steps to allow your group members to send messages and keep your community active and engaged. First, open your web browser and go to Telegram Web by entering web.telegram.org. Log in with your account details if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your list of chats on the left side of the screen. Next, find and open the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the ability to change group permissions, so make sure you're using the right account. Click on the group name at the top of the chat window. This will open the group's profile and settings panel. Now, look for the edit icon, which usually appears as a small pencil or gear symbol near the group name. Click on this icon to enter the group management settings. Inside the settings menu, find and select the permissions section. This area gives you control over what group members can and cannot do. Here, you'll see a list of permissions, including the option to allow members to send messages. To enable messaging, simply turn on the Send Messages permission. This will allow all group members to participate in the conversation and send their own messages. Double-check that the toggle is switched on. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial to apply the new settings and ensure everyone in the group can start messaging right away. And that's it. You've successfully updated your group's permissions on Telegram Web, making it possible for all members to send messages. Keeping your group's communication open is a great way to foster engagement and build a lively community. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the conversations in your Telegram group.